Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Ultra with an Android phone. While Apple Watch is primarily designed for iPhones, achieving full compatibility with Android devices presents a unique challenge. We will explore the necessary steps and what you can realistically expect from this setup. It is important to understand the inherent limitations from the very beginning, as a seamless experience is not typically possible. The fundamental reason direct pairing fails is Apple's tightly controlled ecosystem. watchOS, the operating system for Apple Watch, is deeply integrated to work exclusively with iOS. This means an iPhone is absolutely necessary for the initial activation and setup of your Apple Watch. Without this crucial first step, you cannot even begin to use the device. Many advanced features, including Apple Health data syncing, Siri, and downloading new applications, are intrinsically tied to this iPhone connection. For a limited connection, you will need a cellular Apple Watch model. First, pair your Apple Watch with an iPhone to activate its cellular plan and complete the initial setup process. Once activated, you can then transfer your physical SIM card from the iPhone to your Android phone. With this clever method, your Apple Watch can independently receive phone calls and text messages, even when your Android phone is your primary device, offering some basic communication functionality. It is crucial to understand that this workaround comes with significant limitations. You will lose out on seamless notification mirroring, full health data analysis, and the ability to control your Android phone directly from the watch. For a truly integrated smartwatch experience with an Android device, exploring excellent options like the Samsung Galaxy Watch or Google Pixel Watch is highly recommended. These alternatives offer full compatibility and a rich, comprehensive feature set tailored for Android users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.